All right, everybody, welcome back. If you are following Ivy Lee Construction on Facebook or on their website, and if you aren't, I should say, you are missing out on their incredible giveaways that are worth hundreds of dollars every single month. Mike Washington is back to tell us about this week's giveaway, a whole house humidifier worth about $500?
Yeah, $495 value installed.
Wow.
It's a great thing, especially this time of year. You know, when you wake up and you're putting lots of lotion on, and the humidity level in your house is not correct. Some homes are too high, some are too low. This will actually help to regulate that and to get the moisture in the air, so you're not applying tons of lotion, you're not itching all the time. At the same time, keeping it in the right zones, so you're not having a lot of condensation on your windows or mildew or mold forming in certain areas of your house that it shouldn't be. So this week, the drawing is going to be for a whole house humidifier. It actually gets attached to the side of your furnace on the cold air side, and it actually will add the moisture to your home. We partnered with Northeast Mechanical on this. It's a great firm. They do a lot of commercial, industrial work, and also on the residential side with us.
This will also help, Mike, where if you're walking through your house and you have carpeting, you're always getting shocks.
All the time.
And this will help that.
Yeah, it will actually help to get the right humidity level in your house. Like us on Facebook if you haven't done that yet. Every week we give away things.
Yeah.
This week is a really good one to get into. The drawing will be a week from today. Tell all your friends, all your neighbors, go ahead and sign up. Someone will win it next week and it'll be installed in the next couple weeks.
And there's no purchase necessary.
Not at all.
Right.
Not at all. No purchase necessary at all.
So really, like I say, if you're not following Ivy Lee on Facebook, you're missing out on all these incredible ways to win.
Yeah, every week we're giving away things on our Facebook page, so we encourage everyone, please like us on Facebook and start following us on Twitter.
Yeah. But you're busy this time of year, huh?
This time of year we've been very busy, very busy. Yes.
We have snow coming down, but that doesn't prevent your guys from heading out.
No, our guys are out today. We have crews outside and inside, obviously. We have 9 crews on the road today, from a small kitchen and bath crew to larger siding and roofing crews.
I want to show some of these pictures. I want to show you what's new. They just had the big convention in Las Vegas,
Big convention in Las Vegas last week, yes.
Yeah.
Unbelievable, the stuff that is coming.
I was wondering if you were there.
Yeah, very interesting and very neat product that's coming. It usually takes a little longer to get to Buffalo, but unbelievable things are coming. The big manufacturer really coming with some interesting stuff.
And let me tell you, someone like Mike knows of all this. If you go to the big box stores, they're kind of a little behind.
Yeah.
But you are on top of those trends, and you can, this way you can make a great decision for your house.
Yeah, and really make sure we're doing it effectively for you, your budget, and also your wants and needs. Everyone's house is different, and every person's needs are different. Some people need the walk-in tub. Some people need grab bars. Some people need just a big open floor plan, and they want to eliminate the thresholds. Some people want easy cleaning in their bathroom. Some want all tiles. Some don't want as much tile. There's so many different products out there we can suit for your real needs.
I hope I can say toilet on a morning show, but let me tell you, look at the bathrooms. Look at the new toilets. You'll notice there is no base to it. It's attached right to the wall. You realize how easy that's going to make this to clean.
For sure.
When you can go right under it and swipe with your mop.
You can go right underneath with your mop. Also, the actuator is actually in the wall. This is actually the lever of the toilet, and you see there's no tank.
Right.
The tank's actually inside of the wall in this product. That's a pressure tank. It's fantastic. Vessel sink, and if you see the faucet actually is coming out of the wall. Same thing again. Most of the mechanism is inside the wall. Very clean looking, but also at the same time very functional, and also really not cost prohibitive. There's tons of finishes now that it doesn't need to get into the real high-end bathroom. Again, on this, there's actually a glass panel here, and then if you notice here, there's no barrier. There's no step over for the shower, so you can walk right in on one floor.
Love it.
Nice and clean. Again, the valves here, so you can walk in, turn it on, and the shower head and the wand here.
It just makes the room look so much bigger, because
Yes.
a lot of our bathrooms are not that big.
Yeah.
I love the heated towel bar. You want to feel really special? How about a heated towel bar when you're coming out of the shower?
And that actually serves as 2 purposes. It's heating your towel, but it's also heating the room. This is a hydronic system. There's a boiler in this home, and that's actually heating the room. Plus, you're getting the towel warmer. Part of it that initially they weren't really concerned about, but they love the product that every day they have a nice warm towel when they get out of the shower.
Love it. I like the recessed wall here. You can put all your supplies up there.
Yep, the niche is in here. We also put a couple little pin
lights.
LED.
Yeah.
Those are all GFI controlled, so God forbid, any water gets to those, it'll cut off the circuit, but it still lights it up so you can see what's on your shelf.
All right, I'm not sure if we have another picture. We do. And again, it's just adapting what you have to make it work for you.
Yeah, this is an interesting job. More traditional here. If you notice the toilet, much different than the last one. Standard toilet with a tank and a bowl. This is a handicap height, or comfort height they'll call it now. It's a 17 inches from the floor to the toilet itself, where you're actually sitting.
Okay.
Put a banjo countertop in here. Basically, you have countertop, and then you have this little area that typically you don't have. There's a little more storage for their knickknacks. They wanted that.
And look at it, putting a mirror all the way across. Look at the big difference it makes in showing off the room in this bathroom.
Yep.
I love it. That means you can use both sides of it.
This is the other end of the same bathroom. This is actually the tub in that bathroom, and then there's a shower here with the rain glass here, the shower door. They wanted it to be opaque. They didn't want to be able to see in. And then the tile work, you can see a little off-white tile with the rope and the nice Listello strip in there. Really nice product. Jacuzzi tub. Real nice.
And you can move the faucets maybe from one side to the middle like this?
They can go almost anywhere. It just depends on the product. This tub is actually geared to put that in the center, and the drains in the center, so you can actually sit at both ends of that tub.
See, I just love that.
Yep.
All right, another look, another different look.
This is another different look. White cabinetry here, solid surface, flush bowl, so it's going to be undermounted, standard medicine cabinet and lights, and then over here there's a neo-angle shower stall. There was actually a pocket door, and there's a tub on the other side of this wall. So this pocket door, they can actually close, and someone can be in showering while they're using, someone else can be using the outside of the bathroom.
Everybody has different needs.
Yep.
It's amazing. Okay. Okay. Is this a different room or the same one?
This is another bathroom.
Okay, another bathroom.
Yep. This is a total different home. They wanted to go with a cobalt blue on their tile. They really like that color, so we picked up that in the Listello strip. We actually ran that all the way through the shower, through the rest of the room. Again, frameless mirrored medicine cabinet, nice look. Pedestal sink, again, nice and clean. White tile all the way through.
And if you rather have a shower curtain, that's no problem.
That's no problem at all.
Don't have to go with the glass door if you don't want it.
And sometimes we'll do double curtain. This is a double curtain. This is the for the water barrier, and this is to dress it up.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, she just wanted it to be, just not to have one, so it's clean looking.
Yeah, remind your guests too that one stays on the inside.
Exactly.
Okay,
exactly
wow.
right. This is a more contemporary feel. Again, we did the same thing with the toilet here, so you can get underneath. And in this one, the vanity is also off the ground. That vanity is actually hung on the wall. Contemporary look. Again, we did a niche with a mirror in the back and the pin lights, again, if you notice. You can put knickknacks on there, but it also extends the room. This room is actually very small. That's like probably a 10 by 8 bathroom.
Really?
Not a real big room, but it makes it look so much larger. And then the shower doors, sliding shower door, clear glass, big rim. And if you don't have a window by code, you have to have a fan. As we go through your project, we're actually going to pull our inspections, and all the plumbing has to be inspected, all the electrical has to be inspected, the fans have to be vented outside. They can't just be recirculating fans. Get the moisture out of the house to control the moisture properly,
and
so you have no mildew.
You can check that, because I mean, if you moved into a house that's already existing, you're not really sure if that fan is venting outside or just up into your attic. You find out later that it's only going to the attic.
A lot of times, probably 7 out of 10 are venting into the attic.
All right, everybody, listen, before we go, I want to remind you, as we go back to picture number 1, we want you to get on board for Facebook for Ivy Lee, because this is the way you're going to enter to win their incredible monthly deals. And in this case, it's a brand new automatic large bypass humidifier installed by Northeast Mechanical. Information on how to enter is right down here. But the whole thing is, if you get to them on Facebook, you're never going to miss another great deal. Thanks, Mike.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
We'll be right back.